Right here we have a Challenge Champion 305 model MB, 30.5-inch cut width, full hydraulic cut and clamp, manual back gauge, manual readout. Now these, the Model MBs have the toe heel foot pedal controlling the clamp. Toe brings it down, heel brings it back up, and it's a semi-automatic cycle, so after the cut you have to manually bring the clamp back up. Simple two-button cut operation. Then the heel brings the clamp up. Just a simple knife adjustment will fix that right there.
Last sheet's not getting quite cut, but you see what it did cut is a clean cut operation. Just need to adjust the blade.